Hello again, pre-K. I have a little experiment I thought you guys might want to try. All you need 2 clear cups, one of them filled with water and one empty. And then you just need a paper towel, which I've got here. And that's really it. So you're gonna take your paper towel. You're gonna fold it in half the long way, like this. There we go. And then you are going to fold it in half again, like this. All right, now all we're gonna do is we're gonna put one end of our paper towel in the cup with water, and then we're gonna put one end in the empty cup. But before you do that, I want you to stop and maybe make some predictions about what you think might happen to the water. You could maybe think about our last day at TCC. We had those coffee filters and we colored them with primary color markers and we sprayed them with water. So think about what happened to the colors and the water. Did they stay put? Did they move around? Do you think that could be similar to what happens with this water and this paper towel? So try to make some predictions before you start and then see if your predictions turn out to be correct. We'll see. I'm gonna add a little bit of blue food coloring to my water, and this is just to help you guys see it because water is clear. It might be a little tricky to see over video. So that's the only reason I'm doing this. One, should be good. You can see that a little better, can't you? All right, so put this up here. Okay, so once you've made your predictions, it's time to put one end in here. Just gonna drop it in, and then we'll put one end in the empty cup. All right, and now, time to observe. I'm gonna speed it up for you guys, so it won't really go as fast as you see. Okay, so what did you notice? Did the water stay put? If you watched closely, you probably saw that the water traveled up the paper towel, across and over into what used to be our empty glass, but now it's not empty anymore. Some of the water came over here. So the way that the water did that is something called capillary action, which basically means that the water travels up the paper towel through the spaces in between the fibers. And it's the same thing that happens in plants in the springtime when it rains and the rain goes into the soil. The plants have roots in the ground that soak up the water, just like this paper towel soaked up this water. And then the water travels up the roots and up the plant to the leaves. And it brings with it all the nutrients from the soil so that the plant has the energy to grow. Remember we talked about nutrients are the things that give us energy. So we eat lots of different foods, and really healthy foods have a lot of nutrients. So plants need nutrients too, and the water carries nutrients up to the plants. It's all capillary action, just like this. All right, thanks for watching, friends.